right, guys, welcome to writing prompt number 11. I am going to jump right over to what our writing prompt is for today. And our writing prompt is, do you or your family know anyone who got COVID-19? And how has that affected you? I personally do not know anyone that's been diagnosed with COVID-19. Luckily, my family's been able to stay pretty safe. However, I do know that I have relatives working downstate in the healthcare industry, and I worry about them a lot because they are frontline workers and they are experiencing a lot of these COVID-19 cases every day. So just because you may not know someone that's been diagnosed with COVID-19, do you know someone that's at a higher risk of catching it? So I can't even speak here. Any members of your family that are working in hospital settings, in doctor's offices, that are being heroes right now, helping us try to combat this awful virus. And how does it make you feel, and how has it affected you? So that's what your writing prompt is today. But your brainstorming question with your writing that I want you to comment on this thread is, how are you feeling being at home during the shutdown? This isn't necessarily a brainstorming question for the writing. I just want to check in with you guys. I know a lot of you have expressed frustration, sadness, boredom, loneliness, and that's all very, very true. I'm feeling very lonely. I'm feeling very lazy in a way, although I've been working many, many hours behind my computer for you guys. I feel like I'm not being physically active enough as I used to be, and that really is bothering me because I like to be more active than what I am now. So my body's kind of not feeling as healthy as it used to be. So go ahead and just share how you're feeling during the shutdown now that we're at home, and then go ahead and answer your prompt on whether or not you know anyone that's been affected by COVID-19, how it's affected you personally. All right, I look forward to reading your responses.